Ginger juice for arthritis, osteoarthritis, tendons and joint problems. Ginger. People from around the world use this amazing and super healthy root. Ginger is usually used as a spice on different dishes and meals. In many countries in the world, people also use it for medicinal properties and uses. The experts say that one of ginger's amazing properties is its ability to prevent the formation of inflammatory compounds and even effectively treat inflammation in tissues, muscles and joints. You'll be amazed when we tell you that there are almost 800 studies on the various healing properties of this magnificent root, 275 of which specifically relate to its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. And what makes ginger such an effective anti-inflammatory is a compound known as gingerol. You will need the following ingredients: a thumb-sized piece of ginger, washed and disinfected, a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon juice from agave, juice of 2 lemons. Directions. It's very simple, you just have to put all the ingredients in a blender and blend for 10 seconds. Drink the juice immediately without squeezing, it helps the health of your teeth and gums. Drink this juice for 20 days, and make sure you drink at least 2 liters of water a day. Avoid consuming processed flour, red meat, sugar and cow's milk. We really hope you find this article helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.